Late last night, Congress passed the $900 billion COVID relief bill that will send billions of dollars to American households and businesses grappling with the economic health toll of the pandemic. It now goes to the White House for President Trump's signature. Under the legislation, $600 stimulus checks will be sent to people who make less than $75,000 a year. They'll also get $600 for each of their dependents. It also includes a $300 a week in federal unemployment benefits for the next 10 weeks, and $294 billion will support businesses with PPP loans. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin says that the checks could start going out next week. Both Montana Senators, Republican Steve Daines and Democrat Jon Tester, both voted yes for the bill.
The targeted COVID relief package for Montana small businesses, workers, families, and our healthcare heroes, as well as our farmers and our ranchers, will soon be on its way to President Trump's desk. It's also going to include more money for vaccines and vaccine distribution, which is what we need to do to end this pandemic.
Today, Congress listened to Montana's common sense and passed a coronavirus economic stimulus package that will help put our economy back on track and get Montanans back to work. For months, I've pushed leadership on both sides of the aisle to negotiate a package. No one got everything they wanted, but it's a bipartisan compromise that provides targeted support for Montana small businesses and for folks who lost their jobs through no fault of their own. And it will help get vaccines to folks in rural America quickly and effectively. We got some big wins for Montana in this bill, including $284 billion for Montana small businesses through the Paycheck Protection Program, $20 billion in vaccine procurement and distribution, an additional $300 per week for unemployment benefits for folks who lost their jobs through no fault of their own, and support for tribal health, for public education, for the live entertainment venues and housing. Now it's time to get this relief out the door as soon as possible. I'm going to keep working across the aisle to aggressively hold the federal government accountable so that the relief gets into the hands of Montana's families.